Hi kindergartners, Miss Harding here. Today we are going to work on phonics together and we're going to talk all about the V sound. Think in your thinking brain, which letter makes the V sound? Did you say V? If you did, you are right. So we're going to work all on the letter V, or the letter sound V today. Do you remember this sign? This is our poster here that has all of our letters that help us remember the letter sounds. If you need to practice your letter sounds, right now is a perfect time to do that. Why don't you press pause and you can work through all of these letter sounds on your own. When you're all done, press play again. Press pause now if you need. All right, so here we go. We're going to keep going. So V stands for the V sound, like in the word vest. We see here, big V, little v together represents the V sound, like in vest. Here's our poetry for the week. Let's read it together. Violins and violets. Come on, let's jump in your van. Bring your violin case. I will pick up some violets and put them in a vase. I really love my violin and my velvet vest. Will you give me violets if I play my very best? Now think in your thinking brain, did you hear any rhyming words in our poem? I heard case and vase. They both end in the ace sound, so case and vase rhyme. If we look down here, you see vest and best. They both end in the est sound, so they rhyme. Now we have our sound search here. Which words do you see for the pictures in here that start with the V sound? Can you find the vine? How about the vase? Do you see the vase? How about vegetables? Violin. Where's the violin in this picture? A volcano. What about a vacuum? If you want, press pause now and you can go get your learning packet for the week, and this can be your little help to help you fill out those words. Next, we have a bunch of pictures here at the bottom. Do you see these pictures? On the bottom here, we're going to go through what these pictures are and we're going to sort them. Do they go in the column with the V sound? Do they go into the middle column with the L sound? Or at the end over here with the W sound? What's this a picture of? Did you say lamp? You're correct. What about this? What is this one a picture of? Did you say spider web? Think in your thinking brain, are we talking about a spider web? Do we see the S sound up here? But it's a spider web. Do you see something with the W sound? Think in your thinking brain. Then we have vegetables. And then this looks like a bee. But do we have a B sound up here to sort it into? There are other things that look like bees, but they're actually not bees. This here is called a wasp. Then what is this arrow pointing to? Did you say legs? Great job. And then we have last a vase. Let's see, where does the lamp go? The V, L, or W sound? Ooh, it's not wanting to go. Hold on. Awesome. Lamp goes the L sound. What about the web? Web. Awesome. Vegetables. Vegetables goes with the V sound over here. And then that wasp. Wasp goes with the W sound. Awesome. Then we have the legs. Goes with the L sound. And last we have vase. Goes with the V sound. Very nice. Now it says we're going to do blending sounds. When you look at the letters here, we're going to use our arms to blend all of those letter sounds together to figure out what the word is. So first we have the letter T. What sound does the T make? Did you say T? Awesome. What about the I? Eh. Remember that? Itch your nose. Itch your nose. Eh. And then we have P. P. So let's do it together. T. Eh. P. Tip. Tip. Did you say tip for this word? If so, great job. Let's practice some more. V, a, n. Van. Van. V, a, n. Van. Now we have v, et. Vet. Vet. Very nice. Let's do the next one on the arm. P, a, n. Pan. Pan. Very nice. P, et. Pet. Pet. Very nice. Let's do some more. B, I, d. Bid. 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 R, a, n. Ram. Ram. V, a, l. Val. Val. W, it. Wit. Wit. Very nice. Ooh, we have some more. V, a, n. Van. Van. K, a, t. Cut. Cut. The next one. A, t. Hot. Hot. The last one right here. R, I, d. Rid. Rid. Very nice. Now we're going to work on vowel subtraction. So that means we're going to find our vowel and switch it out with something else and see what the word says instead. Do you remember what your vowels are? If you do, say them right now. Did you say A, E, I, O, and U? If you did, you remember those vowel sounds. Great job, kindergartners. So what sound do you hear in the middle of the word that? Did you say the eh sound? Vet. I want to change that E sound, the eh sound, to the ah sound. What word would we get if we do that? Switch that sound to an A. Did you say that? If you did, you're correct. Awesome job, kindergartners. Let's try this again. This time, I want to switch this I that makes the eh sound to an O that makes the ah sound. So it would go T-O-P instead of T-I-P. Think in your thinking brain, what word is it going to make instead? Did you say top? If you did, you're correct. T-A-P, top, top. Now we're going to practice blending the letter sounds together and segmenting. So to segment, we take the word and we split it apart so we can look at every letter and the sound it makes. So we have V, E, T here. Now we want to blend them together to figure out what the word says. V, E, T, vet, vet. Awesome job, kindergartners. Now we have all of these words that are separated into different letter sounds, and we want to combine them back together to figure out what the word is. We have V, A, N. V, A, N. Van. Van. Very nice. Let's try this one. Oh, I see a CK in this letter sound. CK together makes the K sound. P, K. Let's try. P, K. Pick. Pick. Awesome. Let's try this one now. We have a V-E-S-T. Let's practice those sounds. V-E-S-T. Let's try it. Vest. 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 Awesome job. Now let's hear this one. We have a W that makes the W sound, an I that makes the I sound, and then two L's together that make the L sound. W, I, L, will. Will. Very nice. Let's do a little bit more blending. If we can find the, there we go. Now we have the same words, actually. Sorry, we're going on to segmenting now. We're going to check the same words we just did, practicing blending them, but now we're going to separate the sounds out. So when you say van, we have to figure out all of the different parts of the word that we hear when we say it. V, a, n. V, a, n. V, a, n. Now how about here? I, k. The CK makes that k sound. I, k. Very nice. Down here. V, e, s, t. Vest. W, I, l. Will. Very nice. Now we're going to try doing this, but with some nonsense words. They're just a bunch of letters that are put together, but they don't actually make a real word. But it's really good practice for you to be able to segment and blend those sounds to figure out what the word is saying. We have S-A-B. What letter sounds do you hear when you have an S? S, A, A, B for B. S, A, B, sab. Sab. Now try this one on your own, right here. What word did you get? Say it loud. Did you get vel? I did. V-E-L. Vel. Very nice. What about this one? How do you say that? V-E-G. Vig. Very nice. Now we have this one. Try it on your own. Did you say tup? I hope you did, because that's correct. Up, tup, tup. How about this one? That one looks a little tricky, but I bet your super smart thinking brains are going to get it right. W-E-N. Win. Win. V-A-C. Vac. Vac. Very nice. Now let's talk about our heart words for the week. In your learning packets, you have your sentences that you need to write and draw pictures for your heart word journal. We are going to talk about 3 new words today. We have home, they, went. Let's try that again. Home, they, went. Now let's talk a little bit more about this word. What word is this? What does it say? Did you say home? If you did, great job. In your journal, in your packets, I want you to think of a sentence that has the word home in it. And then I want you to draw a picture of it. But I don't want to give you any clues on things to say because I want your super smart thinking brains to think of the sentence all on your own. If you need help, you can always ask a family member to help you. Then we have this word. What's this word here? Say it loud so I can hear you. Did you say they? If you did, great job. They. Start thinking in your thinking brain now. What's a word that has this, or a sentence that has the word they in it? Once you think of it, go write it down, write that sentence, and draw a picture for it. How about this one? This one's a tricky word because there's another one of our heart words that looks a lot like this, but it changed those vowels out and had something different. So look really hard and sound this word out to think of what this heart word is. Did you say went? If you did, great job, kindergartners. So you're going to practice writing a sentence here with the word went. If you need help, always ask your family members. So our heart words again for the week are home, they, went. Practice those a bunch and get writing on those sentences. Don't forget to keep reading and working on sounding out those words and remembering all of the great heart words that you've learned this year. That's all we have for today for you kindergartners. So I really hope you have a great time learning about the letter V sound today and keep looking for that letter all over the place. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.